Hello, Junkaholics. Decided to take in a little bit of aluminum today. The truck is filled with cast aluminum and sheet aluminum. I'd say 60-40. 60% being cast and 40% sheet. So we'll see how much it pays at the junkyard. Well, we're at the scrapyard. We're at Marshall Metals. My regular junkyard was 10 cents cheaper than these guys, so I came here today. I had 398 pounds of cast and sheet. They're paying the same price, so they're just putting it under the one heading, so no separating from now on. So that's 398 pounds at 50 cents a pound for $199. 2 pounds of dirty aluminum at 15 cents a pound, 30 cents, for a grand total of $199.30. So definitely was worth my while to load up the truck. Hello, Junkaholics. On the very first episode of I'm a Slob, I'm going to be cleaning up the backyard, doing a couple runs to the scrapyard, get rid of this aluminum and trying to straighten this place out. Hope you enjoy. Joke of the day. So there's a man that's going for a job interview, and he arrives and sits down with the boss. And the boss says, "What do you think is your worst quality?" And he says, "I think I'm too honest." The boss immediately says, "I don't think that being honest is a bad quality. I actually think it's a really good quality." The man says, "I don't give a shit about what you think." Well, the truck's all loaded. We're gonna head over to Marshall Metals and see what this pays. So right there's some stainless. That first garbage can is filled with stainless. Back's filled with aluminum. This is extrusion. The top half is all extrusion, and then beneath that I got some sheet and some cast. My junkyard doesn't require me to separate the sheet and the cast, and they consider die cast the same, so I think I'm pretty well organized. What it weighed, what it paid. So the first line there, cast aluminum, 113 pounds, 55 cents a pound at $62.15. Then we've got 77 pounds of sheet aluminum, 50 cents a pound, $38.50. Had a little bit of stainless, 65 pounds. I think this is a little low, but 35 cents a pound. Tell me what you guys are getting in the comments below, for a total of $22.75. And then the pipe aluminum, which is still 50 cents a pound, at 21 pounds, that's $10.50. And for a total of $133.90. That's some nice junk. So make sure you like, subscribe, share, whatever you need to do. Later.